Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a very long time since I have done a long form reading. Well, it's been a crazy month, a lot of personal readings, which is good. And also, I've been doing 21 days healing challenge. I'm conducting that. So, a lot of my time was going there, and I only like to do readings when I'm aligned and I'm totally. My energy is totally high, and today I thought, let's do a love reading. Let's do a love reading for next 6 months. We are in July, half of the year is gone, and let's see what is the next year bringing in for us. So let's call in, without further delay, let's call in our spirit guides, angel ancestors to help us with this reading, and let's pray for a protection from negative energies, low vibrational entities, positive energies only. So when I just cut the deck, I have sword and rose. Okay, and this talks about clarity, truth, revelations, honor, protection, and determination. I feel that the theme for next 6 months is going to be around clarity, clarity of future, clarity on next steps, clarity on where is this going, what is happening next 6 months in my collectives love life. Okay, very good. I have two cards. I have date. Okay, and this says get back out there, meeting someone new, setting a date online. Somebody you or your person would want to date. Okay, in the sense that they would want to probably meet you, go out on a date, and get back together with you. um and sunglasses at the bottom of the deck. This is showing that even if you are in separation, for most of you, this is what it looks like to me right now. They are watching you. They are, sunglasses is saying that they are watching you, they are stalking you, they are looking at you, but they're not looking within themselves that where is it that they need to heal, where is it that they do not feel enough for this relationship, because the second card is not enough. Lacking confidence, self sabotage, ego, fear, and frustrations. So I feel this could be the past energy, because these are coming in the past energy, where somebody would want to get back with you, they would want to date you again, but they're not feeling enough to take the next steps. Okay, what else is happening in next 6 months? Okay, we had heartbroken. This looks like the present energy, and they're very sad that grounding at the bottom of the deck. This person is really sad that they're not able to come towards you. They're really sad that they're not able to date you, or they can't be your person at this point of time. And I think both of you are heartbroken. This is not just your person's energy, but the entire connection's energy. So both of you are feeling very heartbroken at this point of time. Okay, Cupid's arrow. Wow, this is positive. Have faith, love is coming, surprise invitation, stuck in love, and clock. They're taking time to open up. They're taking their own sweet time to open up, and there could be a lot of time that has gone by. Runner, when I cut the deck, they are running from their emotions, but there is a lot of love, and they're still hopeful for the connection. They're hopeful that, love, something will happen and love will come, and they'll be struck by Cupid's arrow. We look more into this energy because this shows that they are positive about their love life. They just need some time. They just need some time to work on themselves. Okay, they just need some time to get enough, to get over this energy of not feeling enough right now. Okay, what else? Okay, we have addiction. We have addiction. Wow. So this talks about codependent, obsession, resistant, possession, control, emotion block. They could have some addictions. Okay, they could have some alcohol or some other kind of addictions. They could have codependencies. This also shows that they could be going through an emotional block. Okay, they have, there is something that is keeping them stuck right now in their life, and they need to deal with that. And we have coffee cup, and we have love. They would want to meet you and savor the moment and build friendship, and there is a lot of love that they still feel. Okay, so this really looks like your energy right now. I'll just take one more card and get deeper into this. Okay, not today. Yeah. So they, and this could be a theme for next 6 months. I feel that they are focused on themselves and they don't want to deal with uh, their inner demons right now. They're avoiding coming, even though they miss you, they want to come towards you, but they're avoiding working on this relationship right now because they're not feeling enough and they need time to figure themselves out. And that has been coming very strongly in, even in my personal readings, even in the readings that I've done on Instagram. This is coming very strongly for my collector. So if this is your story, please let me know. Please comment below. So what is happening in the second half of 2026 in my collective's love life? What is happening in this situation? Trust. This situation is calling you to have faith. So trust the process. Trust the process. You're asked to trust the process. And there is honeymoon, which talks about enjoy the bliss of a holiday together and express your love. So universe wants you to know that even if it's taking time, trust that there is a scope for you guys enjoying time together in the future, for you guys to express your love. And this could happen for some of you, this could happen in next 6 months. For some of you, it can take a little bit longer, but trust the process is coming very strongly for you. And see, this is a general reading, it will not resonate with everybody. So if this is resonating with you, this could be, your situation. If it is extremely toxic, I wouldn't want you to trust the process. I would want you to choose yourself. But if this reading is really, 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 you know, if you feel that this is resonating with you, be patient, trust the process, give things more time. Okay. And what else is going to happen in next 6 months in this relationship? Okay. We have express your love. Oh, we saw this card. You will get a chance to express yourself. You will get a chance to have heart to heart conversations, is what I'm feeling with this. Okay, and romantic feelings, and this could be the one. I feel that romance is getting back into your life. I feel that somewhere there is, even though right now things seem, both of you are heartbroken and things seem quite difficult, romance is coming into your life. And forgiving and learning, when I cut the deck, I feel that you will learn a lot about yourself and this relationship in next 6 months. And you will forgive, learn, and move forward. For a lot of you, there will be meeting up, talking, expressing your feelings. For some of you, you will trust, and there is a reconciliation happening. Let's see what else is happening in next 6 months in my collectives love life. Okay, we have sexuality. This talks about someone is still figuring themselves out. Yes, a love spell at the bottom of the deck. So there is, they think about you a lot. They feel that you've done some kind of a love spell on them, but they are not today. They're taking time because they're figuring themselves out. They're still figuring themselves out. They're still, they could have codependencies, addictions, issues in their life that they don't feel fulfilled about, and they're working on them. Okay, and move on. Someone is available. Okay, uh wa- someone is on a waste of time and it's over. So I feel that you are moving on. This is your energy. I feel that you feel that because they've not shown up authentically, they have not been in touch, They've not fought for this relationship. You were like, I'm done. You like, we are moving, I'm moving, and I can't keep giving on to this relationship. Okay. And what else is happening in next 6 months in this relationship? Challenges, make a decision. Okay. Work on inner healing. And I feel that while you moving on, okay, while you, this is also your energy, and I think both of your energies, while there are challenges, but you're deciding to work on yourself, and even if person is deciding to work on themselves for you, because if they're not feeling enough, they do want to work on themselves, and that's why they need more time. Okay, what else is happening? Love spell, this game, there is open your heart. Wow. And yes, luck is on your side. I feel by the end of the year, I feel that next 3 months, you will try to move on. You will work on the challenges. You will work on your inner self. And you working on yourself, you working on your healing will open your heart chakra, will open your heart to receiving, you will open yourself to receiving love. And something is, there is reconciliation, something, for some of you it could be a new person coming in, but mostly I see there is reconciliation happening for most of you. And give things time, give things time. So even if you can't see it right now, a lot is brewing, a lot is happening uh, right now. Let's take some tarot cards and see that what else is happening. Let's take a deeper look into this situation. Okay, my guides, what else is happening for my collective in next 6 months in their love life? Okay, I have the Queen of Wands. Yes, this tells me, and Temperance, this tells me that you do your inner healing, you're working on yourself, you are, you really connecting with your creative energy right now. It seems like creating, you are also working on your self-worth. You are not, you are not, your standards are high. You're not uh, you're not compromising on anything right now. And really, like, I see a glow up. Okay. And what else is happening in love? Temperance, yes, this is healing, this is things coming to balance. And I have like Two of Cups at the bottom of the deck. So this is healing, this is coming into balance. There is a time where both of you have to be patient. Divine timing is at play. um you could be a little lonely also while you're working on yourself. There is certain amount of loneliness that I see, and you kind of somewhere checking, okay, who's coming, is this person coming, like, even though you are working on your energy, but you do miss them. Okay, you do. Three of Swords, yes, you are heartbroken, you are heartbroken that they're not reaching out. You are heartbroken that even if they're reaching out, it's not in the energy that you would want, it's not the way you would want. Okay, so this is really about your energy, I feel. What is happening in next 6 months in the connection with my collective, their person and the connection? 10 of Cups, wow. Okay, Hanged Man, and 5 of Cups, Ace of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Okay, what is this Hangman and 5 of Cups energy? Waiting. I honestly feel that in the next 6 months, you are not taking the burden of this relationship. You are not, you are not accepting. You are not accepting on and off behavior of your person. You're focused on yourself, and you you're emotionally in 10 of Cups energy. That means you are not entertaining anything which gives fulfills you emotionally. 10 on 10. And what is this leading to? I feel I feel the reason I see your energy is like it is your energy that is driving the relationship. The more you are working on your energy, the more you are realizing your own worth, the more you are making boundaries and not entertaining anything that is not serving you, the more you are focusing on your own self, happiness is coming towards you. Let's see, what is this leading to? What is this leading to? Page of Swords, communication, texting. Somebody is thinking about communicating. Seven of Swords, okay, and the Magician, okay. And what about this? Okay, this is sneaky energy. This is manipulation. This is somebody running away from. Okay, I feel that the fact that you are working on yourself, the fact that you are knowing your worth, is is making somebody reflect on their actions. That how they have caused you pain, how they have kept you conflicted because of their behavior, how they could have manipulated you, how they could have acted sneaky. Somebody is reflecting on how to bring that in balance. I feel the fact that you are working on yourself is pushing somebody to to look within, which they're not allowed, they're not looking within as of now, but that is sort of pushing them to look within and see that where they have let you down. And what is this leading to? What is this energy leading to? Next 6 months, please. 10 of Cups. Oh, and Three of Swords and Temperance. I feel that an Eight of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. I feel that your person will be really open to conversations. They will be open, because right now they're not open to conversations. I feel right now both of you so hurt that nobody is emotionally opening up to a conversation. But I feel that in next 6 months there will be balance coming in, and this is coming very slow and steadily. It's not rushed, okay, where there will be a lot of conversations around where you were hurt, where the hurt is, and maybe where they were hurt, not because of you but other things in their life, and where they could not give you the love that you desired. And and 10 of Cups is really about ultimate happiness, ultimate um emotional satisfaction. This is also a family card, and I want to know, what is this 10 of Cups telling us in this situation? Moon, Tower, Two of Wands. Wow. There could be conversations about moving ahead. There could be conversations about what was not stable in the relationship. There could be conversations about what was hidden and what was not clear about the relationship, and how you guys can create emotional security for each other, a stable relationship for each other. So I feel that there is a lot of work that's going to happen in relationship. I'm going to take one more card. So what is this 10 of Cups? How does this 10 of Cups looks like in next 6 months? This could be the one. Yes, there is trust building. There is trust building. Somebody could make efforts. You'd see that your person is putting in more efforts into the relationship to build that trust. Okay, you will feel safer to open up your heart, and this is coming after a time of separation. Yes, separation is coming. So this is coming after time of separation. Separation is also showing me that this separation could go for more than 6 months for some of you. This work would need some more time, so give things time. If things are not happening in next 6 months, know that this all this work is happening. Your person is reflecting, your person is working on themselves, and there is a scope for working on the relationship uh, once you have healed, and once they feel confident enough to come towards you. Okay, so let's get some. And like I said, it's a general reading. If you don't want to wait for somebody, this is what the energy is showing. This is what the cards are showing. But nothing is ever written in stones. If you feel that you've had enough and you don't want to, you know, you don't want to give time to this relationship, you have an option of moving out. You have an option of, starting again. Okay. So what is it that your person would want to tell you right now? Okay. This card just flew. Okay. Understanding, and they say, I see your side of the story. Yes, they are reflecting on how sneaky they've done some sneaky behavior, some addiction, some sneaky behavior, some lying, some manipulation, and now they do see your point of view. They realize that how much they've hurt you. Okay. Reciprocity, okay, which says, I want to have equal give and take. They've realized that they have done a lot of damage to this relationship. They have not given equally to this relationship. Third party card also came. This could have been, even though I didn't see third person till now, but this could have been because of other people. This could have been due to their work. They've given other things priority over you and they've damaged the relationship. Sneaky behavior, for some of you it could be a third person, it could be a third party. Okay, what else would they want to tell you? Okay, holding back. Yes, they're holding back. We saw this. Okay, I should have expressed myself better. Again, third party is coming. Something is keeping them stuck, and for most of you it's not third person. I feel that it could be their work, it could be some toxic situation, it could be their family, but they're holding back because they're stuck somewhere. That was coming very strongly in the reading. Okay, mistakes. Yes, they've done mistakes, they know. I wish I could right my wrongs. Reunion. They would want to, we will always come back to each other. They would want to come back to you. They feel that they've missed an opportunity of making a relationship, a healthy relationship with you. They had a chance and they have missed that. They've really spoiled that chance. Okay. Shadow side. Yeah. You made me realize my flaws, and again damage. I feel that they are reflecting on what they've done. They could be dealing with their own shadows, which also shows the difficult emotions that they've been avoiding. They could be a runner where they're avoiding from what they have done, what they need to heal, and they're reflecting on all of that, which is a good thing. And again, it is on you, it is your choice whether you would want to take this forward or not. Okay, this is just what the energy says. This is just to tell you what is really happening, but at the end of the day it is you who take that decision, that what is it that you want. Okay. And mend. I want to fix this connection. They do have intention of mending the damage that they've done. They have done some sneaky business. They have kept things hidden from you, and they but the good thing is that they're realizing and they do want to mend things. Okay. Okay, so let's take some guidance for you. Okay, last. This was a good reading. I like this reading. It wasn't too heavy also. It was all right. Hmm. Let's take some guidance for you. Okay. So what is the guidance for my collective for this reading? Wow, look inside yourself. Okay, and this says that examine what is causing you to feel this way. This talks about your inner wounds. This talks about where you need to heal. This talks about where you are not receiving love and where you could be abandoning yourself. Okay, and we have friendship, and this talks about nurture the bonds of friendship within your relationship, and your love life will dramatically improve. So I feel that go slow and steady, even if they come. Okay, even if they do want to talk about things, even if there is a new start, don't jump onto it. Okay, know that you and the other person has a lot of transformation that needs to be done. So take small steps, nurture the friendship that you've had, because I feel that basis of any healthy relationship is friendship. If that friendship is not there, that relationship, of course you need to, from friendship you build up the relationship, but that is the basic ground. Okay, and then let there be closeness between you two, but always give each other space. It simply allows and give and surrender. I feel that because in your relationship, a lot of transformation needs to happen. Your inner transformation, their inner transformation. You would be required to give them space to still figure themselves out and to heal yourself also. So rather than jumping onto, when things get too heated up, jumping onto we'll do this, we'll do that, give some space, reflect on what happened, see what's going to happen, and then take a decision from a calmer mind. A message for you, okay? I'm thinking of you this very moment. Your love fills me with light. They're thinking a lot about you. And forgiveness at the bottom of the deck. They do regret what they've done. Regret has come a lot of time. And forgiveness also says stop focusing your energy on past events, for life is too precious to waste. You create your reality, but what you think, reality by what you think, dream, and imagine. So I feel that forgiveness is important for you. That is part of healing. Forgiveness doesn't mean that you have to forget what the other person has done, or it's okay. Forgiveness is that you don't carry the burden of it. You move forward. Because if you hold grudges, you hold very negative energy with you, and you don't want to carry it. You can't move forward when you have a lot of grudges. And the last one, okay? Acceptance is the key to inner peace. At times, we must accept things as they are. There's no point trying to change. That is beyond your control, okay? Accept what has happened. Accept the situation right now. Don't think too much, oh, maybe I could have done this, or this person could have done this. Whatever happened has happened. Now, heal yourself, learn, evolve, and see what the future holds, okay? So that's it. If you like this reading, please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up and do comment below. And I will see you next reading. Bye.